Imagine if AI could do 70% of your job starting tomorrow. Would you still have a job? Sit with that for a second because this isn't some far off. What if it's already happening? Customer service, data entry, even basic coding, everything is done by AI right now. So today I'm breaking down 5 skills that will actually keep you relevant in 2026. Not the usual learn to code stuff, real skills. And honestly, number 3 is the one nobody's really talking about yet, and it's probably the most important one. So, first up, AI literacy. And no, I don't mean you need to become some tech genius. I just mean actually knowing what AI can do and what it completely fails at and where it straight up lies to you. See, using ChatGPT isn't special anymore. Everyone can do that. Your little brother or sister can do that. What companies actually need? Someone who knows when to trust AI and when to say, nah, this is wrong. That gut feeling, almost nobody has it. That's your edge. Number 2, real prompt engineering. Not the basic write me an email stuff. I'm talking about giving AI real context, real rules, a real goal, like you are training a new coworker, not yelling into Google. Here's the secret. The people getting crazy good results from AI, they are not smarter than you. They are just better at explaining what they want. And guess what? That's a skill you can learn in like a weekend. Okay, number 3, the one I promised. It's storytelling. I know it sounds soft, right? Sounds like something very simple. But think about it. AI can spit out reports, it can write code, it can crunch numbers all day. But can it walk into a room and make people actually care? Can it make your boss remember your idea? Can it make a client say yes? Nope. If you can take boring information and turn it into something people feel, something they remember, you just become the one person in the room AI can't replace. And lately, every big future of work report is pointing to this exact thing. Storytelling isn't soft anymore, it's your armor. Number 4, data literacy. Relax, I don't mean becoming some math nerd or data scientist. I just mean looking at numbers and actually understanding what they are telling you. Excel, Google Sheets, basic dashboards, even AI is helping read data faster now. But here's the thing, AI can show you the numbers. It can't ask the right question. Someone still has to look at it and go, okay, but what does this actually mean for us? That someone should be you. And finally, adaptability. This is the skill that makes all the other skills work. The tool you are learning today might not even exist in 2 years. The people winning right now, they didn't master one thing and stop. They got comfortable learning different tools. That's the real superpower. So AI literacy, prompt engineering, storytelling, data literacy and adaptability. Which one hit you the hardest? Which one are you actually weakest at? Drop it in the comment.